Hi, my name is Carl Leinsing and I'm president of ATEC Designs Incorporated. Today we're going to make a face shield, and the first step is to punch 2 holes at the top of the clear PVC plastic using a hole punch. Next we want to cut 2 large radiuses on the bottom part and take off about a ½ inch to 1 inch to reduce the length of the shield. The radiuses will allow the caretaker to turn their head without interference with their shoulders. Next, you want to take the rubber foam. It's cut to about 7 3/4 of an inch long, and remove the covering on the adhesive. You want to keep the bend in the foam. This will help the shield conform to the shape of the caretaker's head. And place it down from the top of the edge of the clear shield so that the adhesive doesn't stick to the caretaker's hair. Next, want to take a rubber band, and here it's key to use a synthetic rubber such as silicone, polyisoprene, or nitrile rubber, and not natural rubber or latex, as some people are allergic to latex. You want to tie a knot on each end. And as you can see here, we're using gloves, gown, face masks, and a hair net. We're also working in a low particulate clean room hood, and we've cleaned the table. But if you can at least wear gloves and a mask and clean the table, this will do a lot to keep the germs down. To complete the knots on both ends, tie them securely, and there you have the face shield. And then you can see one of them is on Alexia, and she can turn her head and it gives her good protection. Stay safe, everybody, and help if you can.